Okay, boys and girls. So in grammar today, we're going to talk about sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete thought. Every sentence has to have certain things in it. What is one of the things that sentence needs to have? End marks, right? It needs to have an end mark. And a sentence, if it's not a question or saying something very excited, yes, it would have a period at the end. Okay? What else does a sentence need to have? Besides the end mark. Another thing, every sentence needs to have a capital letter. Okay, so this says every sentence begins with a capital letter. A statement is a sentence that tells something. Okay, so if you're just telling me my dog's hair is black, okay? If you're telling someone something, it'll end in a period, okay? A statement ends with a period. Max is my friend. You are telling him that Max is your friend. He plays with you, okay? Those will end in a period, all right? Now, before we start, I'm going to go ahead and let you listen to the songs that go with these different sentences.
You forgot to turn your...
Okay, boys and girls, now it is your turn. We practiced on a game. We listened to a song about the 4 kinds of sentences. Okay? This is what we're going to do on your paper. You have to read number 1 and then see what ending will go with it. Okay? So I can Okay. So number 1 says what? Everybody read it. My friend helps me. Okay. Oh, okay. Now this one. Here is this one. Now look at this one. My friend helps me. Which one is the correct sentence? They're both the same sentence. Which one is correct? This first one on the left side or the second one on the right side? Vivian?
It doesn't have a capital or a period.
The second one doesn't have a capital or a period, does it? So is the second sentence right?
No.
No, the first sentence is. So circle the first sentence. Okay, well, stop, guys. We're recording. You don't want everybody to hear, your parents to hear all of your talking, right? Okay, let's read number 2. Jake goes with me to the park. Okay, the second sentence says the same thing. Jake goes with me to the park. Which one is correct, though? Is it the first one or is it the second one? What do sentences need? And what else? Which one has both? The first one or the second one, Elise? The second one has both? Then circle the second sentence. Okay. We did 2, 1 together. I'm going to have you do 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. You have to figure out which ones are the correct sentences. Well, you circle the one that's correct.